Alright, here's a new perspective. You shovel as narrow as a path as you have to, because this pile is about as tall as me. I had my good neighbor, son, and his wife were over here helping me shovel this part of the driveway. This will get plowed back over there. He'll be able to back in now, because before he could only push it up to here. Which you can see is quite a mountain of snow. And it's a clear, blue, beautiful day. Quiet, serene, and nice and cool. Some really neat snow drifts.